We go now to news from Parliament, where the government is moving to address the learning loss caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Education Minister Faval Williams today provided details on the National Summer School Program, which gets underway on Monday. Mrs. Williams told the lower house that the summer school program is part of a larger initiative called the Recover Smarter National School Learning and Intervention Plan. Vashon Brown has the details.
When the first case of COVID-19 was recorded in Jamaica in March last year, the government closed all primary and secondary schools in an effort to contain the spread of the virus. But despite efforts by the Education Ministry to keep students engaged while they're away from the physical classroom, about 120,000 students have not been consistently engaged, giving rise to learning gaps. And so the Education Minister Faval Williams says there is a plan.
Madam Speaker, the Recover Smarter National School Learning and Intervention Plan is the government's plan to mitigate the effects of the learning loss experience and is designed to guide school administrators or regions and the central ministry in development and implementation of strategies which are intended to assess learning gaps, improve student performance in core subject areas, reduce learning gaps among students in grades 1 to 9 so that they're able to function at grade level in core subject areas.
The plan has three components: the National Summer School, the National Extra Lesson Classes, and the National Homework Program. The ministry will administer diagnostic tests to help schools assess students. As for the summer school component,
this program will commence on July 5, 2021. The ministry will begin the summer school program using already existing performance data on the students to guide the initial engagement of students. When the diagnostic test data become available, this will be used to further guide support for summer school and beyond.
The Education Ministry says it will be partnering with various service providers who will use their existing platforms to carry out the daily lessons and activities.
The service providers engaged by the ministry will identify, recruit, and deploy available trained teachers who are willing to participate in the initiative as tutors, available retired teachers who are also willing to participate as tutors, and available final year Teachers College students as assistant tutors.
The ministry will use a tiered system developed based on existing data on student performance. Tier 3 pupils are those with significant learning loss and will be prioritized for face-to-face support. Tier 2 students, who are classified as those near ready to advance to the next grade, will also receive support. They will be facilitated online only. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.